Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of the series I've been doing, Memory Lane. Anyway, the first slideshow you're going to see, my eyes are burning. My apologies. It's getting late. The first slideshow rather that you're going to see was taken on Lake Allatoona in Georgia, probably about sometime in February of this year, 2021. Anyway, it was getting late. I wanted to go back. I was going to go back the next day, but I never did make it back. So anyway, I planned on it, and I think the next day it was raining, so I just didn't make it back. Anyway, Lake Allatoona, Georgia, February 2021. It's too bad. It's too bad because it's a beautiful area, and I wanted to go back, but anyway, it was just, weather wasn't good. It was raining. So anyway, here's the next slideshow. Hey guys, this next little slideshow is of leaves. I love to take pictures of nature. I love to take pictures of leaves. Anyway, I'm wearing the dark glasses because my eyes are burning real bad. Anyway, next little slideshow, just leaves. Hey guys, this next slideshow is flowers, yellow flowers. As I said before, I love nature. I love to take pictures of flowers, leaves, stuff that's green. I like a rainbow of colors. I just love to take pictures. Anyway, my eyes are still burning, but not quite as bad. I'm trying to find a different angle. Anyway, I'm trying to wrap this up. This is kind of like walk down memory lane. Anyway, and obviously I don't remember where I took the flower pictures or the leaves either, really, and it doesn't really matter. Hey guys, this next video slideshow is of a lake. I do not remember where the lake pictures were taken. It wasn't recent. Probably South Carolina. Might have been Tennessee, but most likely it was South Carolina. I take a lot of pictures in South Carolina of lakes. I also take pictures in Tennessee of lakes. Matter of fact, I take pictures of lakes and nature everywhere I go. Anyway, as I said before, I'm not real sure. So they were probably taken in South Carolina. Hey guys, here's a slideshow, another slideshow, more leaves. I actually like these leaves a little bit better than the last leaves. Anyway, these leaves were taken, they were of a tree, and I can remember where these were taken. It wasn't that long ago. It was only about a month ago, maybe a month and a half, maybe February of this year, 2021. And they were of trees to the entrance to Kings Mountain State Park. So, and it was getting late. It was getting like, it was nearly dusk. Hi guys, here's another video slideshow, more leaves. This video is not great, or the slideshow rather is not great. My apologies, I'm slowing down. It's getting the end of the day. It's late. I need to eat. Anyway, but I just wanted to get some of this out here. Anyway, this particular slideshow is not that great. I didn't size it correctly, and it's taken me a little bit of time because I'm learning. I really still don't know a lot about what I'm doing. I'm just doing. Anyway, and I didn't size it correctly. I know on my camera or my phone I can size it to different sizes. I can do 4:3, 1:1, 9:16, 16:9, 3:4. There's several different sizes, and I have to go through them. I just learned here not too long ago, maybe only a week or so ago, that I have to, I can actually go through it and see how each picture will look, or how the pictures will look, and then try to size accordingly. 1:1 works pretty well, and 4:3 works pretty well too. But before that, I didn't know. My camera just automatically sizes it for me. So I'm just now learning that. So as you can see, the video's not great. The pictures, obviously, when they were taken, they weren't taken that small. They were much bigger. Some of the nature is not the greatest either, but it's not bad. If I had sized it correctly, it would have looked better. But instead, they ended up looking more like thumbnails than actual photos. And I didn't know that until I just looked at it. So anyway, but I'm including it anyway. It's just kind of, I don't know how I sized it. You know, and it all depends on how I hold the phone. If I hold the phone the long way or you know, vertically or horizontally, that too affects the size of the pictures and how they will look. Anyway, this is just more leaves, more nature. Hi, these pictures were taken in the Greenville watershed in South Carolina. They were taken probably around April or May of 2020 during the pandemic when I really couldn't do anything. We really couldn't do anything. I just got out and took pictures and that was it. Anyway, it's of like a creek or a river there near the Greenville watershed in South Carolina. More leaves in the Greenville watershed in South Carolina. Hi, this next slideshow is of more leaves and some type of a plant. Not sure what kind of plant it is, but anyway, leaves, plant. Hi guys, last but not least, another video of nature, sky, trees. I love taking pictures of like what I call layering, where there's sky mixed with pictures. There's also another, right after that, there's a very short slideshow of sky pictures, sky, clouds, that kind of thing. Anyway, it's getting late. It's already midnight, and I spent more time doing this than I should have. Another thing, a tractor trailer came in. He pulled in right. I'm parked in the area where it's vehicle parking only, but when I pulled in, I noticed a lot of tractor trailers were parking where the cars are normally parked. Anyway, I was sitting there, didn't even realize he'd pulled in. I was sitting there doing my videos, you know, uploading some pictures of the cloud, you know, doing my normal thing anyway, on my phone. And all of a sudden I look over and I realize a tractor trailer has pulled in right next to me. And I mean, right next to me. And I'm like, not even one parking space, right next to me. And I'm like, no, that's not going to work. No, I'm not going to do that. I left, I pulled out of the parking lot, went to the right. I thought, okay, I think and it wasn't that late. So I was thinking, there's a grocery store not too far away. It's just, you know, maybe 2-3 miles. Well, I miscalculated. I'm not really sure how far it is to Winsboro, but it's a ways. And so I ended up having to turn, I drove, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 miles and maybe a little more. And then I turned around, came back, parked in a different location, parked up here under one of the lights. Excuse me, swallowed wrong. Excuse me, I swallowed wrong. Anyway, I pulled up here under one of the lights, and it's closer to the gas pumps and closer, almost in front of the Wendy's drive-through. So I figured that no tractor trailers will be able to pull in and park where the Wendy's drive-through is. I don't think they would surely be that dumb. Anyway, a black van came in, like a black transit van came in and parked right next to me on the other side. Anyway, so I just pulled out, and I decided, since the rig was so close, that I'm going to pull up here and try to get as far away from them as possible, which I did. I don't think he's going to be parking here, and I don't think he's going to be parking practically in the Wendy's drive-thru. At least I would hope not. Anyway, but it was full. I mean, that last rig that pulled in, he was like so close. He's lucky there was a car parked out there, probably an employee vehicle, and I'm surprised he didn't hit it. He was so close to it. Anyway, I know they got to have a place to park, and I guess tonight it was really, really busy here at the truck stop. All of it, it looked like even the overflow parking was full. Anyway, just very busy, very, very busy with truckers tonight, which is surprising. It's a Tuesday night. But anyway, like I said, this next slideshow is nature with trees, and there's a road in there, and also sky or cloud pictures. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. I have to eat. I haven't eaten all day, literally all day since last night. So, which I'm surprised I went that long without eating, and it hasn't really bothered me that much. But I'm starting to get really hungry. And I also want to watch watch a little TV. I don't think I'll be able to watch a movie, but I might just watch a movie. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. I need to go inside the store. I need to go to the bathroom. I need to, want to look, see if I can maybe get something to drink, and then eat, watch a movie, and wrap it up for the night. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good day. Have a good night. I always say that, and I hope everybody does, and I hope everyone out there's safe. Anyway, God bless and peace.